First of all, guys, take a close look at this channel. The recent video on this channel has already crossed 10 million views, and what's shocking is that this video was uploaded just 5 days ago. Now understand this carefully. 10 million views are more than enough to get any YouTube channel monetized. Now let me ask you something honestly. If you've already created videos in multiple niches, you've experimented a lot, you've put in effort, but your channel is still not monetized, then don't worry, guys, you're not alone. Because today's niche is something very powerful. A niche where, if you work in the right direction, you can actually monetize your channel within just 5 days. And I'm not saying this just to create hype. I personally uploaded a video in the same niche on my own channel, and within just 1 hour, that video crossed 1,000 plus views. To create videos like this channel, the first thing you need to do is take a screenshot of the channel. This helps ChatGPT understand the niche, the style, and the overall content direction. After that, go to ChatGPT, click on the plus icon, then click on Add Photos and Files, and select the screenshot that you just took. Now type this, "Do you know about this channel?" and press enter. Now you'll notice something interesting. ChatGPT will analyze the channel and give you detailed information about its content style and structure. Next, type this, "Okay, can you help me create a video exactly like the ones on this channel?" and press enter. After pressing enter, ChatGPT will respond, "Yes, I can help you create a video exactly like that channel." At this point, ChatGPT fully understands the video format and expectations. This step is very important. If you get this right, everything else becomes much easier. Now, let's move ahead. Now decide which character's wooden statue you want to create. It can be Iron Man, Hulk, Ronaldo, or any character you prefer. Once decided, you need to generate an image prompt. I want to create an Iron Man statue, so I type this in ChatGPT. I want to create a wooden statue of Iron Man. Please give me an image prompt for it. The statue should be completely in natural wooden color only. It should not be very large, human-sized, with a maximum height of 6 feet. Then I press enter. Now you can see, ChatGPT has generated a proper image prompt. To generate the image, we will use Nano Banana. For that, first install Google Gemini and log in. Once logged in, you'll see an interface like this. Click on Create Image, paste your prompt, and press enter. One very important thing here, always mention the image ratio 9:16 inside the prompt. Now the image gets generated, but sometimes the full body may not be visible. If that happens, just type "the full body should be clearly visible," press enter again. Now you'll see the full image generated properly. Download this image. I've generated the Iron Man image here. You can generate the image of your own character using the same exact process. Now open any one video from that channel. I'll open one here. Now take screenshots of a few scenes from that video. You might be wondering why we are doing this. These screenshots help ChatGPT understand the scene structure, camera framing, and visual pacing. This is what allows you to replicate the channel style accurately. Now go back to ChatGPT, click the plus icon, and upload the Iron Man image you downloaded. Then type, "This is the Iron Man statue. Please keep it consistent in every scene prompt. Same posture and same size." Press enter. Now click the plus icon again. Upload the screenshots you took from the channel's video. Paste the provided prompt from the description and press enter. Wherever the name Iron Man appears, you can replace it with your own character name. See that? The full video image prompts have been generated. Now the image prompts are ready, but consistency is the real challenge. AI sometimes changes the statue size, design, background, or lighting, and even one inconsistency can ruin the entire video. To fix this, generate a character description. Type this in ChatGPT. "Give me detailed character description of the sculptor and background." Press enter. Now ChatGPT provides a detailed character description. Copy it, go back to Google Gemini, paste it, and press enter. Now the sculptor's image is generated. I used a female sculptor, but you can use a male sculptor as well. One important thing, the sculptor should look poor, and the background should also feel poor. This adds an emotional layer to your video, which improves viewer retention. Download this image. Now copy the first scene prompt, open Gemini, click the plus icon, and upload both images, the Iron Man statue and the sculptor. This locks consistency. Paste the prompt and send. The first scene image is generated. Repeat the same process for scene 2, scene 3, and all remaining scenes. Now you'll notice the statue, the sculptor, and the background remain consistent. This is the exact method used by successful channels. If you've understood this clearly till here, you should definitely subscribe, because this is advanced knowledge that most people skip. After image generation, animation is the most critical part. Even one bad animation can make the video boring. To fix this, convert image prompts into animation prompts. Go to ChatGPT and type, "Now give me animation prompts for all scenes." Press enter. ChatGPT converts all image prompts into animation prompts. Now open Grok, click on Imagine, then upload a file and upload the first scene image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene, animation prompt, and click Make Video. Grok generates 2 videos. Select the better one, click the 3 dots, select Upscale Video, and once it shows HD, download it. Repeat this process for all scenes. Always match the correct image with the correct prompt. Now open your favorite editing app. Import all video clips. Arrange them scene by scene. Trim clips to keep the video engaging. Set everything properly in 9:16 ratio. Add transitions if needed. Finally, add background, music, and export the video. Now the video is complete.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe for more.
If this full process helped you, comment below which niche you want next. And if you want more such step-by-step tutorials that actually work, subscribe to the channel. One last thing, Grok has animation limits. So if you want a tool that generates videos, free and unlimited, watch my this video. I've explained that tool in detail. I'll meet you there. Bye.